Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2015 Mitsubishi Shogun. So any screen here, you've got here a little black and white flag. If you click that, you've got go home, address, junction, point of interest, postal code. So postal code, there we go, that's it. All postal codes, click on postal code. We're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, PR5. I'm going to put a space in, but may not need it. 4EA, PR5 4EA. Now then, it's one of these where you have to put a street in, no doubt. So all streets, Blackburn Road. So B, there, it's defaulted to Blackburn Road. We'll try again, set. Right, that's it. Start. Again,
please proceed to the indicated route.
Counterintuitive. You've got to you put the postcode in. Looks like you can't just go to the postcode. You have to put the name of the street in, and then it will take you there. That's how you work the system. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.